Hi man, South African the soil, South African the soil. How can you sleep on your job? How do you sleep on your job? How can you miss such a great beatboxer like that one? How do you miss Maphalala? Oh man, the guy is multi-talented, not multi. Multi from the word multiply. Oh man, just listen to this. Listen to this. Oh?
Sizohlabelela, oh, sizohlabelela, awuthina sizohlabelela, oh, sizohlabelela, ngomhla wenjabulo, sizohlabelela, ngomhla wenjabulo.
You see, I told you, I know how to spot talent when I see one. Yeah, but you see, the guy is multi-talented. Actually, we want him on the next album, as soon as possible, ASAP. Oh man, hey, this channel enough for the resume yakhe. Labanye but CV. I don't know anything about that one. You see, oh man. Okay, bye-bye. Oh.